Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new Instagram Note feature that has now been released in the UK. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So Instagram Note feature is like a status for your Instagram DM. On your Instagram Note feature, you can put down what you're feeling right now. So if you're feeling happy, sad, or angry, you can add these statuses on your Instagram Notes. So let me show you how to get it and how to use it. So before you begin, let's go to your App Store and make sure your Instagram app has been updated to the latest version. Search for Instagram and go ahead and update your Instagram app to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and tap on Open. Now to access Instagram Notes, you're going to go ahead and tap on your DM icon here at the top right. Once you do this, you'll see your Instagram Note feature here. All the other users who you're following will have their Instagram Notes all enabled. On the left hand side, you'll see your profile icon here, where you can leave a note, and on the right hand side you'll see all your other followers who has left a status note. So to add a status to your Instagram Note, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign on your profile picture. Now here you can share what's on your mind. So here you can be sharing what you're actually doing or how you're feeling. So I'll put down, I am filming. Next, I can share it with my followers who follow me back, or I can share it with my close friends. So I'll go ahead and share with followers you follow back. Then I'll tap on share. Once you do this, your status will appear just on top of your profile picture. The same will be seen by your friends or your followers. So Instagram Note lasts for 24 hours. After that, the status will disappear. On the same page, next to your status, you can see other users' Instagram Notes. So for example here, I've got Sleepy. You can tap on it, and this way you can react to their statuses. It will appear in their DMs. And there you go, that is the new Instagram Note feature that is now in the UK. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.